Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Franchise, the chosen one. Hey, yo, the 10-star general. You don't know what I come to represent, you don't know a full effect, don't it? You don't know it go already. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion, boy. Watch on, man. Hey, you don't know the people's champion. Watch. You don't know a Gaza favorite. Watch. You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. We see the people them run out, you know, on the street smoking, you know. Because we see a few weeks from before, you know, a few weeks back, you know, we see Carly B run out and I call up and I represent for the world boss. We see Chris Brown run out. We see the African youth run out. When we look, you know, our own people, you know, Jamaica star, you know, instead of them highlight, you know, Tanisha album, you know, and you know, for the thing them who are going with in the new year where them are try to set, you know, trend, you know, with woman and man business, you know, and the whole heap of wickedness who are going, you know. And for them highlight Tanisha album to make the man them know say it's okay, you know, to speak what inside of you, you know. And you don't have to hide behind closed door and cry no more, you know. Because here we go on. Man can't go to them brethren, you know. Go make them brethren know say, you know, woman a misbehave bad pan them, you know. As him turn him back, you know, brethren a slaughter him as girl clown and all of them shit there, you know. There's why I deal with that. So comes now you hear all some people, you know, who are clown, you know, talk about the man I cry to girl and all them stuff there, you know. That are the main reason why you see all them shit there, you know. So, where I say, oh come, the star run out and I paint a bad picture of the man. How what them do, no, them pay enough for do that, or that more want to know. Or that you have to do for sell on a newspaper. Because right about now, you know, it look like, you know, King mix up them, you know, and video link Jamaica, you know. It look like the people them interested in them man the program more than even on paper right now, you know. Because here we go on. Video link Jamaica, them man they not only attack, you know. Them man they go give them all the live video, you know. On WhatsApp, you know, for them watching, you know, for sure you see a lollipop thing, them man they thing I deal with, you know. So look from now, you know, star, you know, I forgot start burning on paper, you know. But before I do all of that, you know, 10 star I make you know, you know. So no need to apologize to Vybz Kartel, you know, and Gaza Nation, you know. I make you know that, you know, Jamaica star and a lollipop thing, you know. Yo, 10 star as we make you know this loud and clear, you know. So me's not a blogger, you know. Me's a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth for YouTube entertainment business, you know. I'm gonna wanna feel like a lollipop thing, you know. So I make you know, you know, from right now, you know. So no need to apologize, you know. To Gaza Nation, you know. And the dancehall king, you know. Vybz Kartel, you know. And I know joke thing, you know. Cause I wanna know, oh, you not gonna know, say, the man free before the man liar. And before the man. Eh? How comes? We're not going to know that. Eh? What about give back the people them money who buy the paper because of the crazy headline we want to put up when it's credible? Eh? What about that? I not sooner highlight to Tanisha album to make the people them and the man them know so them to take on to them thing that in the country. I not sooner highlight the Bounty Killer speech. You see what I deal with? I not sooner highlight Queen Africa. Queen Africa will come out and talk about the injustice thing we are going between man and woman relationship. You see what I deal with? But on a run go and put out newspaper. I talk about Vybz Kartel, this and Vybz Kartel, that and all kind of foolishness. And I go like say some form of joke thing. Let me tell you something, you know. Right now, you know, I need to apologize, you know. I mean, I'm not joke thing with you, you know. Because here we are going. If you don't lose Gaza Nation, you know, for you even take up them food and look on the star, you know, or even buy a paper outside, you know. Let me tell you, you know, a whole heap of customer on lose, you know. I guarantee and tell you that, you know. Because I want to look on, you know. You see how long the world boss they in a prison, and hold the man in a prison, and still a dominate the road because of Gaza nation. Don't underestimate the powers, of Gaza nation, You hear me? I tell you, Jamaica star, and I don't know, joke thing me I deal with, You name probably worldwide and have a bigger audience, but remember me tell you, You don't have that type of influence from people like Gaza, So remember me I tell you, And no joke thing, Of the whole world Gaza control, You don't see Chris Brown run out. You don't see Carly B run out a few weeks ago. You don't see the African youth run out. You don't see the Vice of Jamaica, vybz Kartel book, still a make new move. I go in some different college, go represent. You don't see the school youth them who are run out with vybz Kartel craft. You know what I mean? Because the whole world take on to it. Right now, some man, can't go up on them black and them base, go tell them friend them, say, here what go on. You know, say, Jennifer give me bun. You mad? You want man laugh off him to scan there, and say my big girl clown and them thing, they make the man them afraid to do all of them things. So man I go like them and Matthew man and them shit there, And the star, I like the man thing to the fullest, To Tanisha album, make people know say it okay, because you're only human at the end of the day, And remember, me tell you already, say, defeat, Adam, You see what I deal with? You know the history, And a woman, get to the wisest man, which is King Solomon, I remember, a woman, defeat the world's strongest man, Samson, None of them strong and wise like them people, And a joke thing, Because history can show them thing there, Samson man will push down a whole temple by himself, Move column and make temple picture ground, From people, And bust out lion mouth with him beer and, So I don't want to feel like say a lollipop thing, So when some man go like say them eat that, a man come and go like him want style all the boss as girl clone, as him see big top superstar album drop, man go like him eat that, because no found the door have the ability now, even the guts now, the growing man, balls to do that. Jamaica star make me telling you something, No play the 10 star and laugh with it, and me not take up full topic, Me say no need for apologize to vybz Kartel and Gaza nation. Wanna feel like you can just run up a man name with look at eat that information for make on the paper themselves and feel like say a joke thing. You not credible. Don't do that. Don't get bright. You hear that? And no joke thing. You see what I deal with? The general speak, the 10 star one in a full effect. And Gaza nation, all when you see me, you have to know I'm busy, Because you know me not laugh with it, A Gaza way, they ain't no other way. 10 star, the general, choosing one. What? Gaza people, you know me thing there already, Watch. Hear me, man? Watch. Yo. Watch.